Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain your second lesson, fractional number. Firstly, what is fraction? A fraction is a number which denotes a part of a whole. It is written in the form of a by b, where a and b are whole numbers and b does not is equal to 0. Take an example: 2 by 3, 91 by 14, 32 by 31, 64 by 13, etc. That's 2 indicates A and 3 indicates B. So 2 and 3 both are whole numbers. Take 2 by 3, a fraction. That's upper part of a fraction is called numerator, and 3, the lower parts of a fraction, is called denominator. There are some types of a fraction. Explain one by one. First, proper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 6 by 11, 2 by 3, 374 by 500, etc. Then, in this fraction having greater denominator, so these fractions are called proper fraction. Now second, improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 91 by 14, 32 by 31, 64 by 13. All of these fractions having greater numerator, so these fractions are called improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. An improper fraction can be written as the sum of whole number and a proper fraction. Improper fraction in that form is called a mixed fraction. Take a fraction 3 by 2 can be written as 1 whole 1 by 2 or 1 plus 1 by 2. That's 1 will be the whole number and 1 by 2 will be the proper fraction. Take another example: 2 whole 4 by 5, 3 whole 2 by 7, etc. Unit fraction. A fraction having 1 as numerator is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 19, 1 by 32. All of these fractions have numerator 1. So we call these fractions are called unit fraction. Next, decimal fraction. A fraction having 10, 100, 1000 or any other higher power of 10 as denominator is called a decimal fraction. For example, 16 by 100, 99 by 10, 62 by thousands, etc. Next, vulgar fraction. A fraction having natural number other than 10 or higher power of 10 as denominator is called a vulgar fraction. Take example: 5 by 12, 6 by 2, 21 by 11, etc. In this fraction having the denominator is not 10 or higher power of 10, so these fractions are called vulgar fractions. Now next, like fraction. Fraction having same denominators are called like fraction. For example, 1 by 17, 2 by 17, 9 by 17, 20 by 17. Both fraction, these fraction have same denominators. So we call the like fraction. Unlike fraction. Fraction having different denominators are called unlike fraction. Take example: 1 by 3, 11 by 8, 5 by 9, 3 by 100. Both have a different denominator. So we call these fraction are unlike fraction. Now equivalent fraction. Fraction obtained on multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of any fraction with any non-zero whole number is called a equivalent fraction. Take example 4 by 7. Write three equivalent fraction of 4 by 7. That's 4 into 2 by 7 into 2. Both numerator and denominator multiply from the same whole number 2. That's 8 by 14. Next 4 into 3 by 7 into 3. Both numerator and denominator multiplying the same whole number 3. That's 12 by 21. Next 4 into 4 by 7 into 4. That's numerator and denominator multiplying both same number 4. That's 16 by 28. Hence 8 by 14, 12 by 21, 16 by 28 are the three equivalent fraction of 4 by 7. Now next, how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. That's 13 whole 3 by 8. That's firstly 13 into 8 plus 3. 13 into 8 plus 3. That's 104 plus 3 upon 8 is equal to 107 upon 8. Comparison of a fraction. Which one is greater, which one is less? That's fraction can be compared by converting them into the equivalent fraction of the same denominator. Firstly, we can compare any fraction have convert in same denominator. For example, 8 by 10, 3 by 4 and 1 by 12. Take a fraction and this fraction arrange in ascending order. Now the LCM of the denominator 10, 4 and 12 is 60. Then 10 into 6, 8 into 6, that 48 by 60. Now 4 into 15, 3 into 15, that's 45 by 60. 1 into 5 upon 12 into 5 is equal to 5 upon 60. Thus both fraction have the same denominator. So we can arrange them 48 by 60, 45 by 60 and 5 by 60. Since which one is less? 5, 45 and 48. So we can write 5 by 60, 45 by 60, 48 by 60. That means 1 by 12, 3 by 4 and 8 by 10. That's compared arranging in any fraction ascending order or descending order. Fraction in its lowest term. How to convert any fraction in the lowest term or irreducible form? That's firstly, take an example, 98 by 70 is a fraction and change into its lowest form. That's firstly 90 SCF of 98 and 70, that's 14. So 98 divided by 14 and 70 divided by 14, that is equal to 14 7 ja 98 and 14 5 ja 70. Thus 6 by 5, 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is the lowest term of 98 by 70. Now addition and subtractions of a fraction. For like fraction, added or subtracted be simply. That's example 7 by 9 plus 4 by 9. That's LCM of both will be same 9. So 7 plus 4, that's 11 by 9. 1 whole 2 by 9. For unlike fraction, Unlike fraction are firstly converted into the equivalent like fraction and then added or subtracted. For example, 7 by 9 and 1 by 8. That's LCM of 9 and 8, 72. 9 8 ja 72. That's 7 8 ja 56. Plus 8 9 ja 72. That's 1 into 9. 56 plus 9 by 72. That's 65 by 72. That will be your answer. Now multiplications of a fraction. Take an example 2 by 3 and into 7 by 4. That's 2 into 7 by 3 into 4 is equal to 14 by 12 or 1 whole 2 by 12. That's numerator of the first fraction into numerator of the second fraction by denominator of the first fraction into denominator of the second fraction. Thus, a by b and c by d are be the two fraction. Then a into c by b into d. That numerator of the first fraction into numerator of the second fraction by denominator of the first fraction into denominator of the second fraction. Reciprocal, some important properties. Reciprocal of the fraction is that fraction which when multiplied by the given fraction gives 1 as product. For example, if take a 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is a fraction and its reciprocal 3 by 2. Now both will be multiply, then 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. That value will be 1. Now division of fraction. A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. For important result, for division, a whole number is a fraction with 1 as denominator. While multiplying reciprocal or dividing the mixed fraction, we always convert into an improper fraction before proceeding further. Let's take example 7 by 12 divided by 7 by 12 divided by 8 by 3. That's we can change 7 by 12 into this will be changed. That's 3 by 8. 3 4 ja 12. That's we can write 7 1 ja 7, 8 4 ja 32. That's answer, is your answer. So the students, you will do your task, your exercise 2, and in any doubt you can contact your school WhatsApp number. Thank you.